Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this embossed text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. We're going to add in a text here. I'm just going to type in something Taylor. You can type in anything you want, of course. And I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Oops. Okay, there we go. My bad on that part. I'm just going to adjust it in the middle like this. All right, let's start. Right click and then press convert to smart object. And then we are going to go to filter and then stylize, emboss. And then this is the setting that I want. You can adjust the angle yourself if you'd like to. I'll just do this. And then for the overlay, we're going to do, for the mode, we're going to do the overlay mode like this. And then we are going to go to filter and we're going to add blur, Gaussian blur, and then press OK. And then we're going to go to effects. Then we're going to go to drop shadow. And here again, you can adjust the angle and the opacity of the shadow. You'll be able to see it here. I'm just going to leave it like this and then I'm going to press OK and you're done. Super easy, super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!